Hello once again to everyone. So today we will be doing another fragrance review, and as indicated po sa ating title, we will be reviewing DXB perfume. So kamusta po ba ang perfume sila at kamusta po ba ang house overall? Stay tuned po. Ayan, so guys, no, again, DXB perfumes, no. So sino po ba ang DXB perfumes? They are a local cloning brand or house based in Laguna. And according po sa page nila, their perfume oils are imported and manufactured from Dubai. Ayan, so a bit of history. Actually, more than a year ago, na-try ko na po ang ilan po sa perfume sila yung mga una nilang release, no? So, if my memory serves me right, I've tried their Sauvage, their Aventus, meron po silang mga parang collection dati ng clones nila ng Stronger With You, and Chanel Allure Homme Sport. So to name a few, no, and I came to know of the brand or the house sa mga posts ng fellow frag heads, no, sa frag community. So anyway, nag-contact po sila sa akin, and I am glad na yung house, yung brand, it is up and running, and meron po akong perfumes from them, no, na i-review ko po sa inyo today. So again, like our question kanina, kamusta po ba ang house? So meron pong categories, of course, no, for men, for women, and of course unisex. And I will be dividing my reviews according sa categories na meron sila, no? So anyway, ang una ko pong i-review ngayon ay yung mga for men, no, yung mga marketed towards men. Okay, so I have 6 here, so please bear with me as I share to you yung thoughts ko sa mga inspired perfumes na ito or clone perfumes na ito, and how are they compared sa OG, and how are they on their own, no? So of course guys, if you are listening to reviews ng clones or dupes or inspired perfumes, always remember na the OG, yan po ay, the OG is the OG, kumbaga, no? Wala pong makakapantay dyan. Of course, may mga clones, may mga inspired perfumes, may mga dupes who will give you the scent profile, no, or they could be as much as a good alternative, kumbaga, no, kasi whether we like it or not, talagang mahal po ang mga OG, no. And ito pong mga houses na to, they want to give you a more affordable option doon po sa scent profile na gusto ninyo, no. So again, no guys, ito po ay kumbaga paalala lang sa atin, no. So anyway, I have 6 here with me na I will try to review, and very briefly lang, I will share to you my thoughts. So number 1 is Campfire. By the way guys, pakita ko rin sa inyo yung presentation, no. So you know, for me, I like the presentation. Napaka-simple lang, minimalist, no. So ayun, no, this is the bottle, no. Ito po yung cap, no, and may para siyang glittery na sticker sa likod, no, where you'll find then, no, na yung name ng perfume, of course, the name of the house, and ayun, no, the concentration sa bottom, and ito po yung kanilang box, no, the black and the gold theme. Ito po yung sticker, the name of the house, and the name of the perfume, where it is, or ano, kung saan siya marketed to, no. So as you can see, for example, this is Colonia, may M dyan for men, and may W, no, may unit for unisex frag, and this is the QR code, no. So this would link you or would connect you dun po sa kanilang Shopee account, no. So anyway, we will be reviewing yung kanilang perfumes marketed for men. So number 1, this is Campfire. Okay, Campfire. So kamusta ba si Campfire? So definitely this is Creed Aventus, no. Isa po ang Creed Aventus sa siguro isa sa maraming interpretation, maraming clone perfumes. Halimbawa na lang yung famous kumbaga sa frag community, yung Club de Nuit, no. Maraming naglalabas ng clone or inspired perfumes or dupes ng Creed Aventus. Kamusta po ba itong Campfire, no? So I have here the OG, no. This is the OG, this is the Creed Aventus, no. Solid to, no. This is, I would say, one of those that stood the test of blue frags, kumbaga, no. And ito po yung talagang nag-introduce sa atin, na isa sa mga nag-introduce sa atin of the niche frags that are more wearable, that could be marketed, no, sa mass, no. So anyway, this is Creed Aventus, and I have tried them side by side, Campfire and Aventus. By the way, this is not mine, no. Shout out kay Jairus, no, na talagang he was generous enough para pahiram sa akin to. This is his, no, kasi I would be doing reviews specifically din sa mga clones ng Aventus, no. So anyway, ayun, kamusta ba tong Campfire for me? Campfire, definitely nakuha niya yung pineapple, yung slightly animalic facet ng blackcurrant, and of course the birch, no. Aside siguro sa brightness ng bergamot, ng green apple, Campfire for me, no, this is good, no. I would say na okay to as a clone, as a dupe, no. And para sa akin, no bias, siguro isa ito sa mga naamoy ko na siguro nakakuha ng opening nito pong OG, no, na the OG Aventus, no. And if you would test din yung kanyang performance, this is not bad at all, no. Of course, ang Aventus, no, hindi naman siya talaga beastly, no, na frag. And I would say na somehow at par pa rin ito, no, with the OG. So that's Campfire, no. Again, no, this is a dupe of Creed Aventus. Okay. Yung second one is, ayun, no, this is called La Mer, no. So La Mer or La Mer, no. Para sa akin, para siyang if you have tried Tumi Atlas na may Acqua di Gio, no, na EDT ng Giorgio Armani. So as the perfumes would suggest, no, kung na-try nyo na yung dalawang yun, they are mainly fresh, spicy, yung vetiver, yung citruses, yung ginger, to some point na parang yung opening niya para siyang yung mga mamahaling alcohol, no. So parang ganun siya for me, no. Para siyang a combination of Tumi Atlas. Of course, Tumi Atlas mas mas sharp yun, no. And this one, may maamoy kang Tumi Atlas pero hindi sharp, no. So para sa akin, para siyang may Acqua di Gio, no. So good for warmer days, and this could be your dumb bridge, no, kasi it's easy to wear, no. Parang it could jive kumbaga sa lahat ng weather conditions for me, no. So yun, no, this is La Mer, no, or La Mer, no. And yung pangatlo that I have here is called Infamous, no. Infamous, ayun, no. Infamous, very maangas yung name right off the bat, no. This is Chanel Allure Homme Sport, no. Definitely Chanel Allure Homme Sport, the aromatic citruses, the marine notes, the fresh spicy notes, no, yung use ng orange and the aldehydes, compared sa OG, no, siguro mas punching lang yung orange note nung OG, of course, no, and a bit more aldehydic, but overall this is good, no. Actually ngayon pa lang sabihin ko sa inyo guys, siguro ito po yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa DXB, no, na interpretation. Casual wear for me on a Christmas day, itong perfume na to. Siguro the first time I had the OG many years ago, no, I got it around December, no, and yun yung lagi kong sinusuot ng Christmas. So Chanel Allure Homme Sport, it reminds me of family and gathering during Christmas, no. So anyway, infamous ng DXB Perfumes, their interpretation of Chanel Allure Homme Sport. Tapos yung pang-apat, this is called Colonia. Ayun, no, Colonia. Okay, so Colonia, definitely definitely Acqua di Gio. Ito po yung Acqua di Gio. Kanina may Tumi Atlas akong sinasabi, no, na parang mix ng Tumi Atlas and Acqua di Gio yung La Mer. Pero this is definitely Acqua di Gio. Yung citruses, especially the lime, no, yung lime po kasi yung nagbibigay kumbaga ng signature ng classic na ito from Alberto Morillas, no. So yung again, no, yung lime, yung citruses, and yung florals, no. May florals kasi yun, basically it's citruses and florals, parang yung dalawang yun yung hati niya, no. Para sa akin itong Colonia na ito, no, siguro this take is more of the citruses versus the florals, kasi overall the OG, you would know po na there's this careful balance ng citruses and ng florals, no. Pero siguro sa akin to, it's more of the citruses, no. But again, no, this is good for me, no. Initially pag naamoy mo to, it would definitely remind you of Acqua di Gio. And siguro guys, no, reminder lang, no, again, before that, this is casual wear, damp breech, no, easy to wear, no. Ito pong perfume na ito siguro yun, no, going to my reminder kumbaga sa Acqua di Gio and those frags na heavy sa citruses. Let's be careful, no, kasi there's this scent profile or types of perfume na kumbaga may tendency sila na maging choosy kumbaga, no, or picky when it comes sa body chemistry, no. So siguro mas magandang matest nyo muna sa initan, kasi dahil maraming citruses, especially ito pong Acqua di Gio na may prominent na lime, no. So i-test muna natin kung para sa body chemistry natin, kasi may tendency yan na umasim lalo sa mainit or pagpawisan ka na, no. So anyway, Colonia, no, ng DXB Perfumes, and we're on our fifth one, no. This is called Blue Relose, no. So yun po yung kanyang pronunciation, so Relose, no. So interestingly, yung meaning ng relose, no, I tried searching, no. This means the connection of red blood cells into the linking or the connecting of red blood cells into chains para magmukha silang stack of coins, no. So interesting, no. I don't know kung bakit ganon yung meaning, that's a medical term pala. Pero ayun, no, Blue Relose, no, this is definitely Bleu de Chanel EDT, no, and one of the staple designer perfumes. No wonder isa to sa most interpreted then na frag, no, of all time, aside sa Creed Aventus, one of the classic ni Jack Polge or Polge, no, the nose behind Chanel. And this is grapefruit, this is mint, This is lemon and this is incense. No, honestly, hindi po ako fan ng BDC. No, I've been very vocal about that. But, again, no, this, I would say na this comes close. No, sa OG somehow, no, this comes close. And siguro, ang nagiging challenge, no, ng ibang cloning brands, no, or ng inspired perfume houses is it's either too much of the incense or too much of the grapefruit. No, it makes it nakukuha nila yung scent profile, pero it's too much of something. No, it's too much of, again, no, the incense or the grapefruit. What I appreciate dito po sa take ng DXB, may balance, no? And again, no bias, pero para sa akin, siguro isa na to sa pinakamalapit, no, na naamoy ko side by side. Of course, I had BDC EDT before, no, and isa na to sa pinakamalapit, I would say, no. So yes, this is good for your casual wear. Again, a dumb breech na fragrance, no. Again, Blue Relos, this is their take of Bleu de Chanel EDT. Okay, and we're down to our last one. This is called Azrael. Okay, so para sa akin, no, I'm trying to think of the perfumes, no, nakaamoy nito. Para sa akin, this is Invictus, bordering Invictus Aqua of Paco Rabanne, na may creaminess, no, para siyang may melon, no, basta may or siguro a creamy kind of floral, no. That's interesting, no. Para siyang Invictus for me na may paano ba, may melon, parang gano'n, no. Citrusy, no, may citruses with soapy melon, no, to a point para siyang may lanvan, no, yung Eclat Dark PJ, no. So parang ganun siya sa akin, no. It's really interesting, and this is the sweetest siguro, no. Of course, alam naman po natin, no, if you have tried the OG Invictus Aqua, even Nudge Dia ng Latafa, or yung Hawas, no, you would know and you would get the scent profile ng Azrael, no. So again, no, this is good for your casual wear if you're going out with your friends and family. This is inoffensive, no, and definitely with the scent profile, no, it would last you a long time, no. It's really interesting. Okay, so ito po yung panghuli. This is Azrael, no. So guys, overall, the performance, I would say, they're hindi po sila 1-to-1 ratio sa OG. But I would say on their own, they're above average, no. We have to take note din, mga kapatid, no, guys. We have to take note na may mga OG kasi na you would not expect, kasi ito po ang nangyayari sa atin when we're trying to compare inspired perfumes or dupes with the OG. We're thinking na dapat beast mode, no, na dapat monster performer ang OG or the clone. Hindi po, there are perfumes, halimbawa, let me give you an example. Halimbawa, ito pong Chanel Allure Homme Sport. While it is a good performer, no, hindi po siya beast, no. The lasting power is like around 5 to 6 hours, no, and projects an arm's length. No, so hindi siya talaga beast, no. So if that's the case, you would not expect that sa mga interpretation or sa inspired perfumes of it, no. But my verdict overall is I like this brand talaga, no. This is siguro for me one of those inspired perfume houses na I would say they have siguro meron silang there's something about this house na you would say meron silang statement on their quality and you would feel that quality, no? And para sa akin overall siguro to put it simply, solid tong okay tong house na ito. I like the house, no? And later on po we will try to review din yung kanilang perfumes marketed for women, and meron po silang marketed as a unisex frag, no? So guys, ilalagay ko po lahat ng links, yung Shopee, yung Facebook sa ating description box. This is a recommended house, no? Okay siya talaga, no? Lalo for the students or for those that are looking for alternative fragrances of your OG, no? Kasi yung iba, of course, siguro nag-ipon pa or mga students pa, or yung iba ay gusto lang ng alternative to layer with the OG or para ma-save ninyo yung OG ninyo. And definitely a good option for your gift kasi yun, no, napakaganda nung kanya ding it is simple pero maganda, no, aesthetic kumbaga, no, yung presentation na. So ayun guys, ito lang po, and hopefully naka-help po sa inyo to sa if you're considering or if you're looking for a local brand, local house. And again, if you find this helpful, if you find this interesting, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.